Active mode. Connected.
I'm getting a check engine light again. This is after replacing my valve covers about 3 months ago, maybe 4 months ago, something like 3 months ago. So I'm gonna be checking what the code is, the engine code, with using this iCar soft Mercedes-Benz specific scanner tool to check the OBD2 code that I'm getting, and hopefully it's not the same problem as before, which is something to do with the air intake lean. I was getting 2 lean codes, engine running lean, and it was because of I think there were some P01, forget, but I'm gonna check to see what engine codes these are. I'm finding this port, OBD2 port, is always a problem. I don't know where, somewhere here, but it's always a challenge finding it and then fitting this connector to it. I wish it was easier than this. I think one of these is the port. This is the brake release, but there's another. This one is hard to find. There we go. I opened the cover to the OBD2 port. Now next is finding which way it goes. It only goes in one way, but yeah, I think I found it. Okay, so OBD2 port connected, and I'm going to check what OBD2 error codes I am getting. So connect the scanner, and it's on, but I know I have to at least turn the ignition. I don't think I necessarily have to start the car, but I do have to turn it in the on position. And then let's look at check OBD2. It's linking. Talking to vehicle, please wait. Okay, so it found one code. MIL status is on. One code that it found. It's completed all monitors. Ignition type is spark, protocol type. So I'm gonna see what code this is. I don't think this is the leak in the valve cover gasket or the valve cover, because that was 2 codes. I was getting it on both banks, but I'm gonna take a picture of this, and then let's go to enter, and let's see, let's read the code. System to lean bank 1. Okay, so it is a lean code. Oh, it's stored. Okay, and it's the same code that I used to get before, but it's a stored code. So I'm wondering if I can just clear it and then maybe it'll go away, because this used to be a
Disconnected. Connected.
That's my Bluetooth connection, but it's stored for P0171, I believe. Earlier I used to get both codes, P0171 and P0174, I believe. Okay, so yeah, this is only P0171 stored system to lean bank 1. It doesn't show me what it is for bank 2. So let's go back. Let's do erase codes, and it's saying it's gonna erase it. Continue, yes. Engine off and press enter to continue. So it says make sure ignition on with engine off. So ignition is on and the engine is off. So I'm gonna press this button to continue, and well, that's the engine on, and it is showing the check engine light here, but it's specifically asking for the engine to be off, so I'm going to turn it off. Oh, and there is no check engine light code anymore. Wonder what happened. So turn it off, turn it on again, and there is no code. What about if I start it now? Okay, this is actually where the ignition is on. Let me try starting it again. Oh, there we have it. The check engine code is still there. So I'm gonna turn it off. It's gone, but this is not when the ignition is on. So I'm gonna turn it off completely, then turn it one way, and now ignition on, and I'm gonna say yes to continue. Link error. Okay, it has to link again, I think. So I'm gonna go back, try and erase code. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. Again, it's a link error, so I have to link again, I think. So I go to enter, and it's gonna link again. It's a KWP protocol, I believe. Yeah, so it's, and then it's found the same code again. So I go to enter, erase codes. Yes, I want to continue. Yes. It's saying erase command is okay, but vehicle still has fault code. So please check the vehicle and do it again. Okay, let's try read codes. Yeah, it's the same stored read code. So why is it not erasing the code? Yeah, so it didn't erase the code. Let me try starting the car. Yeah, the check engine light is still on. It's the stored code. Let me try reading the code when the car is on. Ready. Okay, it's a KWP protocol. Yes. It found the code. Enter, read code. To lean P0171 system to lean bank 1. Go to, and then let's try erase code again while the engine is running. Let's see if that makes a difference. Make sure ignition on with engine off, press enter to continue. It still has the fault code. Read code. Yeah, so for some reason, even though it's stored, it's not board monitor diagnostic. Let's see, O2 sensor. It could be an O2 sensor which is out, maybe, but let's see what it says. Talking to function not supported. Okay. What about bank 1 sensor 2? Okay, not supported. Bank 2 sensor 1. I don't think any of these O2 sensor functions are supported. So I'll have to diagnose this further. On board monitor. Okay, this is just something that I don't know anything about. So anyway, I'll have to figure out what this code, why this code is really coming. And then maybe I'll run a full diagnostic on the air intake system, and maybe that'll tell me why. And I'll also do a visual inspection and also ask the repair shop where I got the valve covers changed to look at this. So yeah. Okay, so interestingly, the code, the check engine light has disappeared now. I think I started the engine not right away, but after a while, and it looks like the code has disappeared, and maybe the erase stored code did work, but I should probably see what the scanner says again. It shouldn't be showing like current code, so I'm gonna try scanning it again to see what it shows me. Hopefully the code is actually gone, but let's see. All the monitors should also be ready. Maybe the monitors are not ready anymore and I have to wait. Okay, so yeah, so 6 of the monitors are not ready, so I'll have to see if the code comes back after the monitors get ready. So the MIL status is off, there are no codes found, and monitors that are not ready are 6. Let's see, since code cleared. So misfire is okay, fuel is okay, component monitor okay, catalyst monitor is, I forget what INC means. INC probably means, I forget, but the evaporating, I guess the evaporation system monitor is important for it to be ready. And probably the catalyst monitor is important, maybe. So and maybe the oxygen sensor is also important, I'm not sure. So I'll have to come back and take a look if this what about if I do IM readiness this drive cycle. Function not supported. Okay, so only IM readiness since if I do read codes again, it should, the MIL should be on, I mean off. No fault code found. Okay, so it did clear the codes. If I do, yeah, I don't need to